up, Stirinese, Mr. Nation and Latimo players? Welcome to the Nayful Podcast. Players Edition, we're coming at you live at the blog, Electronic Solutions. And if you want to use these podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@electronicsol.com. On my right, not on my left, yeah, Moshaka camera. So on my right, Sipete.
The beautiful, the amazing, oh, the sexy, ooh, the voice, ooh, the crush of the nations, the crush of the nations,
of the nation,
yeah, the multi-talented, the best MC in the colony, in the Puma colony, in the Pondo, one of our biggest exports, and the cat.
Hailing all the way from NU6.
Yeah. Dansane, stand up.
Yeah.
On my right,
You've already said that, you know.
Yeah. On my left, man. Sorry.
Yeah.
On my left, yeah, but my gulo left, lo. Can't introduce.
Hey, make it pressure.
Oh yeah. In fact, our man Barikota, if anything happens to this footage, come on to the Sports Edition. If anything happens,
Crush your nation.
So,
yeah, but on the real, yeah. Baby Obuhle Siu, for those who may not know me, also known as Ibuda the Jan, Abantandayo Batingu OB. I think that's pretty much it. Today, on this particular episode, we will be talking everything related to relationships. And maybe, just maybe, we might even talk about imichado.
Okay.
Even though it's not chatanga, but I think that's like the end goal for most people. Even for us, we are aspiring to get married, and we just want to state that these are our own views. Like whatever we say on the podcast today, it's our views, and tomorrow they might change based on the new information that we learn, and more information that we come across. So please, ningasibeti for our views. If you don't like any of the things that we say, or if you feel like they're not correct, then you can perhaps correct us and say, look at it this way.
Sure.
Yeah, but asiti Bible and the city factual. We're just sharing our own experiences. Yeah.
Tell them telephone number. Everything is the Askis.
Yo, yeah.
Otherwise, what are your views on
what? Relationships
just in general?
Relationships. For me at the moment, ndisambe la kude guys go relationships, and funo anti man guys, but I feel like relationships are cool as it sense were right. Relationships are super nice, super fun, as long as siqhubana right. Iba ngabantu mana bayimoshayo into inhle uvela uqonde awu understand uba bese grand siyibhude phi. Yabona, but relationships are very nice. Shem xa sense were grand.
Oh, OB.
My views on relationships.
Yeah.
I mean, again, I agree with everything that you've just said. I think that relationships are a very beautiful concept of, community, and just the idea of having someone who loves you just as much as you love them.
Yeah.
Having someone to, talk to after a long day, like a day that was super exhausting.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. Talk to me. How's your day? That's like the feeling of having someone to come back home to if you're fortunate enough to have a partner that lives with you or that you live with.
Yeah.
So that the idea of a relationship is very beautiful, but I think we also live in a time where the ideal standards of what a relationship should be like, I think they've been distorted a bit, and I think that we're slowly moving away from genuine relationships, right? Even though I genuinely think that relationships are transactional, but I think Goku as seko genuine. But even in that transactional vibe to it. So I think, we're losing the essence of what relationships.
Kule nto ithethayo bendimamele enye i-radio show as I was prepping for work. So i-question pha ibikukuba would you ungadate bani? Would you rather go for someone ombonayo uba une-potential yokubuilda wena as a person, or would you rather date someone omthandayo that you are like madly in love with? And imajority yabantu ndicela lo uzawundakha, ndicela lo ndizawubuilda naye. I think abantu kule nto yothando ngoku abasayingenanga. So I think
they've become too transactional, and by transactional it's not like a love type of transaction. It's very money based. I think we live in a world where imali into ebekwa phambili. When people talk about building, they don't talk about your partner building your character or helping you refine your character. They talk about ozakuphi imali, you know. They never say, oh no, bendikrwata before I met this guy, wancedisa ikubone ndabuild isimilo esitsha.
But I think, guys, ndifuna sicinge also into yoba not wonke umuntu vele wavuka wadecide uba ufuna ipartner ezamnikeza imali. Imajority yabantu iqale yathanda abantu genuinely, you know. Ekhuleni kwethu besidate abantu kuba I like them, I have a crush on them, I love them. Kuboneza we wabona man apha ekhuleni ba hayi suka lento yelove ngathi ayizondisebenzela kahle because ndiyakuthanda, but at the end of the day ndiphuma ndifumene intoni kule relationship, you know. Inhliziyo yayophukile and that's it. So rather I'm just trying to
hear you.
I want to ask
a different perspective.
First question I want to ask is, what is the relationship advice you wish you had ignored?
Relationship advice that I wish I ignored.
Yes.
Do you want to take it first?
Nah. Still trying to think.
Damn.
When do you have any?
Not something.
Okay.
Okay, what relationship advice or walk away from that you lie? Maybe we start from there and then.
Damn.
Also, anguye nomuntu othanda ukuya ebantwini for like relationship advice.
But zang what very wrong grand. You had to learn, you had to ask, you had to don't know, no box TV, but just something like carry you through in terms of a relationship. And what is that? Come in advice that you got, either from your mom, or from an ex, or from a friend. Advice again.
Okay, I think for me, the biggest relationship advice wasn't necessarily given to me, but it's something that I really stand by. And it's the idea of not bleeding on a partner that didn't break you.
Sure.
So what that means is that if you come from a toxic relationship, toxic being whatever it is that you define it as, but if you come from a relationship that broke you, or if you come from a relationship where your partner used to swear at you and used to do all of these sort of things, you don't bring that onto the next relationship where you compare your partner to the previous person. So lando yokuza ne baggage yakho yakla relationship, not as a way of saying, okay, I've got baggage, I need to fix it, but as a way yoba le baggage ke uzuyazi ba xa usenza into ethile ngikhumbuza ubani yazi wayisenza lento ifana nawe ba umuntu okayiphendulanga ifone yakho kuba ipana yakho yayingayiphenduli, you think that already they're doing something esnax okanye into efani simply because ipana yakho yayi yesenza londo. So I think looking for your previous partner in your current partner, that's the best.
So I'm
best in Yan Law. You guys relate us so much. Best relationship advice.
Yeah, that you've taken.
No, guys, yazi bensando uthetha ngayo ngoku ku TikTok bensando uyikhupha ngoku. I-partners zechomi yakho, ichomi ze partner yakho ayizochomi zakho.
Yes.
thina siyathanda uba nalani ba hayibo bendijola nawe and wena ubuthomene no-OB even before we met and then kuba spend so much time together now ndicinga fana bo-OB owes me some loyalty of some sort forgetting into exactly ngoku ndingulowo ngokuba ndifaka nabanye abantu ngoku kwi-affairs zethu ba hayi ke wena
I had a trouble with that, yes.
Ne?
I was in a relationship with this other girl. Ndahamba ndayokoluka xa ndibuya I'm not a lesbian.
Okay.
So like ndivaye ndayokoluka the 30th November. Okoko ndansele esigqibile masisikela. So okokoko December January nge-14 February mina ndiyothenga iflower ndiyahamba ndiyolinda ngapha esigela ndilikrwala xa ndiphuma phayana ndiphuma lo mntu uhamba nomntu wakhe yabo. Now I had friends that we used to make music together with.
Okay.
So for the longest time I was like ubani ndiye kanjani manje ubani akanixelele efonini ba hey umuntu wakho apha unentombazana
yakho chomi ke ngokuleyo kanye
yeah. Okay, so
girlfriend
ichomi lena yam yi-classmate yakhe.
Okay.
Yabo. So ke ngoku mna all along njengoba nje ndigoduka ndiphethe iziflower wena ndizichuba ndithi undiye kanjani na ubani ndonqana besigama lakhe yeah undiye kanjani na ubani na uyayazi ndithile uba nga-Valentine's ufuna umsurprise ubani pha cause oke sithi asitestibani undiye kanjani na ubani oko ndicinga le way noba for close to 10 years oko ndamgqibela ngoko uthetha naye ndagqibela ngoko ndambuza efonini ba fonini undiye kanjani like how do ndithetha nawe ba this is what I'm planning to do ndizawufika phaa ntoni and then if uyavuma sihambise somewhere wena awutshona ngale mini ndithi I'm on my way uthi ba hey ke just heads up yandiyeka xa ndifika hayibo right akatsho noba acela ulisiphi chance sithethe sihamba soyi-3 ngoku Jabe nje sihamba soyi-3 ngoku and like apha endleleni ndiyayicinga man ba what's going on na what's going on lona uthi lo yeah bra i-girlfriend yam lena i-ex yakho ndithi ex njani nitheni ungatsho nje kumba like uthini kwenzeka ntoni kaloku ndiziphethe iziflower ndizifake apha kule ndawo lebhatyi yobukrwala andifuna ujambisa ngoku and ke ngoku ngondijikayo enqondo uba ayisindawo i-lesbian ngapha iphendula ngokwayo akathethi yena qonda okay ndithi no otherwise ke it was good seeing you ngizophinda ndikutatshe ngoku ngizophinda ndikufowunela ngizophinda ndithini na I wish qha ubunikile because understand the situations andingomntu kunzima umlahla mna andingomntu nezitayile ba uthi cela sohlukane ndithe nkosi kakhulu for ixesha besinalo and then I move on. So lento yothula undiyeke ndizozihlaza ndilikrwala phakathi kwenginginye yonke esikole is not my thing but that was it amgqibela ngoko phelela lapho. So now ke ngoku lo ndiyamtatsha ngoba yeah bra disappointed kuwe kuphela i-frustration yami yonke yela embarrassment kuwe what it was not my place to tell lo i-lesbian i-friend yam lo i-classmate yam aphinda abe i-friend yam wena uyi-friend yam who do I betray from nina noyi-3 by telling you yamama ndibetray i-friend yam le ithe ba ayeyo yakho makrwala sawudibana naye xa ikhona lo uthi yeke when the time is right I will don't plus nawe wena mntu uzawubhala icwa ebhuphi nibe-grand ndicinga ngoku ke ngusendimdala ba kanjani that was stupid of me that was not stupid ngela xesha that's how I thought but now I realize noba ungavana nobrother wentombazana like uThando he has nothing noba kungathini na sose ndiye kuye ndithi abo bra wam iminyaka apha sihamba soyi-2 there was a time sahamba 3 to 4 days yonke sisiya kwi-shoots ngapha eTranskei sihamba sonke noThipha sobayi-3 but ndiyayicinga in my head noba angahamba noba singavaya kangakanani sibe close kangakanani na it doesn't mean xa enobona into ethile kufuneka ndixelele When the time is right, I will find out and I will tell you.
I don't know. I don't know if we're still talking about the same thing.
Okay. Uthando uyindon context.
Yeah. So, for example, if Zinhle,
Okay.
in a way, because or someone you're close with, right, and you've become sisters.
Okay.
I think Zinhle still is the perfect example of that. If Zinhle would find out that your man is cheating on you, do you feel like she doesn't have the right to tell you?
No, abe kaloku makubekho ne relationship between uman naye.
So
Isuke laphi? Iqale laphi le relationship?
Uzinhle uchomene no man.
Yeah.
Uman uthi kanfanele ichomi yakhe afumane wena. Nibe busy no man. Uzinhle abona uman ebusy nomnye umuntu. Enga yakho must not be placed on Uzinhle kutheni ngaxelelanga. Angozinhle ukuchitheleyo.
It's not. It's for me. It's okay. So umbonile emena nalo man. I would want to know what happened. Did you then confront the guy to say, "What the hell are you doing? Stop this! Don't." Okanye uyeke yaqhubekeka.
Guys.
It does not matter. Issue uchithelwe ngubani ngulowa hoya yena.
Ndizamoya lowana. Ndizamoya lowana. I'm dealing with that person. Best believe. In fact, uphelile lo mjolo.
Yeah. Then
Uphelile lo
up
mjolo.
yena.
But you're my friend. You're not just any friend.
Yeah.
You're not just any friend. You're a close friend. You're one of the closest friends I have.
Okay, now ndiyakuva why ubusithi sithetha ngezinto ezi different.
Conflate issues up. You're one of the closest friends I have, and my partner.
Misplaced anger.
I'm not angry with you.
What?
It's a
disappointed.
Yes, I am disappointed, and I'm allowed to say, "Friend, I'm disappointed." I'm not gonna end our friendship because you didn't tell me.
Yeah.
But I will express my disappointment because there's just no ways that as ichomiam ukubone, and you know that it's my deal breaker, or you know it would hurt me, or you know my history with relationships. This is what's happening. It's up to me to leave the guy or stay with them.
Yeah.
But the least you could do is tell me. You know, if it's someone else, then okanye uyomxelela bacela uzungayenzi lento because unibeka ku position enzima. Oyabo, but I'll know yeka. And I have a similar story where my uncle was set to marry this woman, right? And this woman was cheating on my uncle. I brother, ye fiance kamalme wam, yeah, yoxelela umalme wam ba my sister is cheating on me.
That's yabona umtshato it's another thing ke uright
Babezawutshata babengekatshati.
Right lonto le ba uzifake emgibeni ke bra wam uzazi nami ndingamxelela umuntu osawutshata ba hey bra if no find out lento umtshatweni ungazisola and nam ndingazisola if unobuya nomntana lo wani ukhulisa umntana ongengo wakho. That's a different story.
Why is it lightly when it comes to relationships? Because guys,
relationships lead to umtshato. So you mean to tell me I should marry this person?
I think my situation there was my situation number one, lesbian was not going to make her pregnant. So
but also you were kids.
Yeah, so it's a different ball game altogether.
Yes. Yazawuphela omnye yeva sit omnye and then you just forget each other. But generally in real life, I think that it is a decent thing to do.
Yeah.
To tell your friend that your partner is cheating on you, especially if you're close friends. If you're an acquaintance, then there's no need. Like I wouldn't see boyfriend yakho ikchitela text and on what grounds? Like on what grounds? But I would expect.
Would you expect that from?
I'm
asking. Masithi ngoku njengoba ngomso sidibana nonantsika enantsika ba hey enhle.
It would be weird now.
No, I don't think so.
It would be weird, especially when it comes. Mna ngaba ngathi akufuna kanokuxelela. Ndithi hey mana lo brand mbone senze into ethile.
Okay.
Yebo?
Perhaps
perhaps it wouldn't be weird, but It would be.
Akukho obligation. Okanye, you wouldn't be mad at me. You wouldn't be mad or disappointed that I didn't tell you. Because kakade, yabo.
Yeah, I
we're
think,
not
yeah.
close.
Yeah,
Right?
which
But it
leads
wouldn't
to
be
my
weird.
next question, Bana.
Okay.
Why are adult relationships hard? Like adult friendships, man, sorry.
Okay.
Why isn't it? Like if we meet now, if I just bump into you, OP, come between London, we talk and then we exchange numbers as friends. Let's say ba cheat and I'm the cheat.
Yeah.
Okay, abanchita grand, kulula kumachita. Let's say nino two, abandombi no
You know what's
two.
crazy?
You know?
That uthi kulula majitu bazichomi, but I actually think kulula kwabantu abangomama.
Abantu abadala?
Yes. You know how abantu abangomama bakhwele taxi? I've witnessed this with my mom. Like she's got a friend, owadibana naye taxi, bakhwele taxi. They just kicked it off. It's like bangene taxi bangokola namlu wonke taxi.
Yeah.
And if you get to a point where you're like, imande ngoko, hey, cela number yakho man, usoro ngixelela ngala ndawo, and then from there they just
Wow.
Since you're nina ke kule age yenu.
okay.
Yeah.
So we considered adults already.
Hayibo, ucinga intoni?
Okay. Okay. Why is it hard for adults to?
Why is it hard for Nina bani bezi friends?
I
First of all,
actually
people,
think
abantu ba weird guys phandle apha. Abantu ba weird. Hey, abantu badento ezifani guys. Yazi uqala i-friendships ebudaleni into efani.
Noba yintoni le hard.
But isn't it crazy that nangoku singabantwana, I could ask you this question. How many people who were your friends in high school are you still friends with? Because if friendship says qalwa ebuntwaneni, a lot of the times friendships are
Growana, maybe.
amaphepha omlilo.
Sure.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Into engekho based on value systems, it's not based on beliefs, it's not based on shared it's not based on shared ideals or anything. It's just based on circumstance.
Yeah.
Indo iti, we go to school together almost every day, 5 times a week. We spend a lot of time together. So ngokusilapha, we might as well kick it off because
Diqhelile. Yeah.
the same way Kaufika kwa grade 8, you only know a few people, but by term 3, term 2, you talk to everyone in class, right? And if uhlala nomuntu etafileni, you're bound to become close friends.
Yeah.
Because nihlala etafileni, nibekwa imeko. So I think it's a bit more difficult to build or make sustainable friendships ebuntwaneni, but it's easier because she forced man into a space. Yabo. Sizichomi because abazali bethu babezichomi.
Yeah.
Right? So wawusiye ekhaya nami ndanisiye ekhaya kowenu. So imeko zazi
Unai friend vice
sisesikolweni.
Emsebenzini?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Awuthini umphendulela?
Okay.
Ubuziphendulela. Okay, ubuphendulela mna.
Ndiyaphendula nawe.
Really? Yazi kanjani manje nacho emsebenzini?
Because
UBK you don't consider as friend yakho?
I think I do, but xa ndithetha no-BK, ndibona into ngathi yena akandiconsiderishe as itshomi yakhe. So now it's like, okay, I don't know, but
So can women and men be friends?
100%.
Do you have a male friend when?
Yeah. I've
Or yes,
done
you're
one.
for sure ba? Akana ulterior motive.
Yeah. 100%.
So ngakwazi umfonela ngokucela
Cele nto?
makakhani nantsika man.
Intoni?
Khe ndithi nje umzimba.
Chomi indidinga shoulder to
Ah
cry
guys,
on.
sanundenzela into ezifani mina kwi-friendships zami. Ndifuna uba ndibe guys, masingayenzi loo nto.
I'm just asking ba. You don't know 100% ba. Xa unothi
Okay,
in.
khathi ke simzame.
Yes.
Jonga mamela enhle
I
le.
also have a friend.
That you wanna
My best friend. My best. This is I consider to be my
no.
best friend.
Wena ifriend yakho unantsika. Cela ufonele unantsika.
Uba.
SNE.
Dasne.
Kuthanda usikhethela nje.
Kaloku lo I want to check if they work. I want to
So
check.
what do I say?
Yeah?
What do I
Ngixolele
say?
ba, man, I want to test this thing, man. I want to ngifuna uyiva bro.
Uzawufona kuqala.
Ngiyakabe.
Short Dasne brown John.
Big kind of push up.
And ndipholile ta. Thena usandovuka?
No, sengizobeni.
Oh. What? Okay, awuzonjaja vele yenza ithethe.
Phela ihleka ngekayizi.
Sulaha brama.
Ndikwazi ukuthi ukujaja futhi ungekade uxelele noba yintoni. Talk to me.
Hey, I'm putting my heart up on a sleeve, so please, ungabi awkward after this, ne?
Okay.
So, bro, I've been thinking about, you know, just trying out like a sexual experience with umjita. Ne?
What?
With man, the sexual experience with umjita. Yabo, but ndifuna uyenza like nomjita endifilisha yeah, umnenmaziyo. Would you be down?
Fucking crazy. Kubiyahlanya.
Aibo, what do you mean?
Angitheloko.
Aibo, what do you mean? Ndacela man. Ndacela
That's weird as fuck, nigga. I'm straight. What the fuck is wrong with you?
What do you mean? I'm a girl.
Since when? Uqalele uba yintoni?
Aibo, that's ne, bruh.
I keep telling you.
Okay, no.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Now, thank you. Otherwise, I'm calling you live from the podcast. And yeah, you're a loudspeaker. You passed the test. Sure. Saluta, bra.
Saluta, Elk.
Hello, how we passing the test to shame? Yes.
Watch it, just can friends can what's this? Boys and girls be friends without any ulterior motives? Sure.
Okay, sure. Easy, boys.
Easy, ta.
I don't think yours is gonna pass.
Why?
What's out in?
Dithini Kenyan?
Like, do you think it's will pass now?
Oh, guys, the friendship yami minyaka. Whoa.
Yo. This can go two ways, right? Either zailaha ha or ati ewe and then imshiye finishing to exposed. Diago pamni script. Hi friend, how's it? Chomiam telungan judge man. Yabo. Can you promise that sizoba right after this?
You. Okay.
Kondo nfunu icela but anfunu njudge.
Okay.
And I promise you sizoba right after this. Yabo.
It's off record.
I've been single for a while, yayazi londo. And dibawela.
Jonga ngumaster.
And bawela casual. Yabo. Can we have like a casual, you know, sexual experience? Yabo. No strings attached, just vibes. Ndonqena ukuya kumndeni ngamaziyo because anifuni umuntu ozawuba ne-access ya ngolo hlobo. So I think it's easier to have it with my
guys,
friends.
usaselapha izinto uzithethayo wena.
I mean, I've never tried it, but
Podcast Sam.
it's not
Asizombiza ngegama. Okay. Just in case izinto ziphume.
That's me. I am the movie.
Sure boy, Grand. Moja. Jonga man mamen. Ikhona ke enye way bendiyicinga apha yabo. Unga overreact Joe like ucela undithembisa uba sizaba grand after le way ndizayithetha. Yima. Ndithembisa uba sizaba grand after le chat. Ne. Uyazi mos ba. Yima kaloku singixesha. Uyazi mos ba oko ndi single, yeah. So ayikho njalo yima. So listen, speaking of le way isandothetha ngayo ngoku, yabo. Engqonga, yashaya oqhayi noni. Cha andifuna uyenza nomuntu wasestratweni engamqhelanga so bengicinga wena. No. Kanjani manje? Umsindo wani? Ngekile. Ay nina sixabanisa nechomi zethu
Shema, I believe it because nam noba benofonela benzothitha the same thing. Yeah.
Senzisazona kwezi show.
But to answer that question, can boys and girls, sorry to say that, boys, but can females and males be friends without any ulterior motives? Both yes and no. And I think on the girl side, yes, girls can naively be friends with boys thinking that.
Naively, I like that.
Naively thinking that
it's like pure, genuine
it's pure,
friendship.
it's genuine, and there's nothing that could ever happen. But it is also true that a lot of the times, boys do have those ulterior motives, and even though they might not have them like initially going into the friendship, but they'll always want to cross those lines given a chance to, right? So
Sure.
Amajita will cross those lines, right? Even in these phone calls we just made to our friends, I think because it was the first attempt, Umdu could even be shocked by, hey, utina lumdan. But if you would bring it up again, then it would be like, hey, serious nyani. Let's do it. Do you get what I mean? So I think they are always willing to go there. But with girls, a lot of the time, even if your guy friend tells you, you feel awkward after that. You are a friendship. But if you're a girl and you tell your guy friend that you know, it's like, oh really? I think
amachita man ayamoyika umuntu ozithethelayo man oyisanga tray.
Oh.
Yoyikisa tray.
Why?
Yoyikisa tray man. And yes, but yoyikisa.
Ayoyike
Xa bethe vram.
if sisendaweni ekuselekwa kuyo where I mean I do think that etshwaleni indawo abantu abanye abayeli neyosela bayeli yowina. Mhlawumbe axelele uba namhlanje sekwaJeff nehambile umjita yola mnana ayayibuyela abantwana namhlanje kanye kuya house party akhona ama-meds akhona ama-chair. You know, there are people who refuse to go out engekho amantombazana.
Okay, masingathethi ngaleyo but sensisho nje umuntu ongaseliyo ize ngetray. Yo.
Nanso.
Ayikho grand ngakaninzi xa kumthitha I understand.
Intombazana naxa iplita.
Sokubonga ngathi uyadlala. Hey, awukhunyiwe lo mntana. Eboma nabo bathini? I think ilo way. More.
So, yeah, but yeah. This also reminds me of the conversation about gay guys being friends with girls and how like some gay guys will even overstep where like a gay guy will even forget that they're a daughter.
Sure.
You're gay, but usay indoda.
Yeah.
Like why bamba mabele?
Ndoda fanele utheni nje usitsho nje when it inconveniences you. Kodwa uthi girl kwambiza. Girl right through.
But uyayazi mos nabantu abangomama xa bethetha nabantu abangotata, straight men abanamakhaya uyakwazi ukuthi hayibo mfazi.
Yeah, but also guys, even kwi friendships gay like girl to girl, zikhona boundaries. Zikhona boundaries. Zikhona ne videos ezithanda to trend on TikTok where the other friend tries to kiss ichomi yayo and then the other friend is like,
if it's not our vibe, if it's not our.
Zikhona boundaries kwi friendships na xa yi-gay ne girl. Surely there has to be boundaries.
I've got two more Nansika, and then I watched a video. I thought I was gonna save it. Uti, when's makeup? Man. When's makeup? Uti, it is better. Unendo nayo ucingba turn someone off. Uyithethe immediately. Uyazi ba uyakufuna umuntu. It's manipulative. Into yoba ukhonsile izinto ocinga ba sese red flags kuwe.
Sesona mhlobo
Oh yamas, yeah.
The makeup girly.
Uthi xa sekupha sewuyazi ba uyakuthanda umuntu obvious ekuthanda ngokusawuvuma otherwise
Umzekelo, kwabanye abantu i-deal breaker into yoba nomntana.
uwenze lo
uthi
mzekelo
usesona
naye.
xa uzazi uba ukwi-talking stage nomntu zithethe ezanto ucinga fana uba zii-deal breakers kwangoku nisaqalayo. Don't wait for them to catch feelings and then
Yeah.
reveal only then about, oh, by the way,
Yeah.
you know.
Intoni
But not
yakho
even deal breakers, but izinto oqonda uba significant. Yeah,
like
Sure.
they have a
Like the
potential
fact
of
that-
changing.
Yes. Meeting someone, talking to them, knowing very well you've got a serious relationship. Like, why am I dating? Like, why is I Pamilano ba? I'm in a
Actually,
relationship.
yeah, zange undibuze.
Zange undibuze.
It's
You
being
never asked,
manipulative
like, oh,
ngosenza loo nto.
You knew if you told, like, uyaz, if you would tell me that you have a partner,
I was
I wouldn't
ngazovuma.
allow
I think
myself
even
to fall for
ndicingayo,
you.
transgender,
Oh,
I think it's only fair uba umuntu umazisi uba, oh, okay.
I was once a
I
boy.
was once, because kwabanye abantu mhlawumbe omnye umuntu will not be comfortable with lo idea.
would you not ben if udibana nam ndiyityani ndithi actually I was once a girl.
Maybe not that wording. Perhaps to say, hi, I'm transgender.
Yeah.
Okay, and for no, it's like when you ask, ngathi ubuza wrong or ngathi ignorant. But I wanna like zenziwa sawe yapha eMzantsi like like operation ba usiko ufakwe nyiwe.
It's very expensive. So a lot of people who are awukwazi uyifaka anyway, by the way.
So xa unantsike ngokusube utheni?
No, but just think about it. Inoba xa ufakwe anyway, ithathwa phi anyway kuzifakwa. Like
Kanti zenziwa njani kanti take noma Norway?
bayafakwa. Like are you do you now no just think about it. Think about it.
Oh yes, OB.
No, I'm saying think about it when no ezinye izinto like simple in the fact
Bruh,
that
there was a video man apha yayibonisa uba yenziwa njani la way.
ufakwa nto
Eboniswa ngumjita lona ne wasikwa inantsika yakhe and then kwinantsika kwisekhe yakhe yathungelwa and then wabetha opening phayana wathini waphela enantsikile.
I don't want to comment on that because andiyazi.
Azange ndayibona nam.
So
And
xa
I've never
usithi
cared to even
unantsikile
think about that.
usube unantsike njani ke ngoku?
Yeah, uyicinga deep ne. Ucinga ukuthi ufike nalapho. Okay, I think if anything,
Yo azikhansilishisa. Oh yosh. Okay, it's fine OP
it's
masiyeke.
curiosity.
Ingxaki mina engqondweni yami umuntu once afaka uT no R no A no N no S. Ndicinga fama wayeyinto ethile wahamba wayotshintsha wayeyinto ethile. So they still have
It's
their
also identifying. Really, it's you choosing to identify as a man. If you're a woman and you become trans, you identify as a man. You
Become
take
njani
hormones. You take hormones, right? Quick hormones. Test this and
Testosterone.
Yeah.
Yes, as a hormones that will increase that in you,
budoda bakho.
right? Where uqala ubesa,
Yes.
broader shoulders,
Yeah.
and all of that ezizawusuppressa suppressa estrogen levels zakho so that your body becomes a bit more masculine and you don't necessarily have to undergo surgery.
Sure.
Yabo. But I think
Zivi the
Yes.
treatment ka.
yes.
Okay.
Because one, it's expensive, and without necessarily.
So you still have that if you are developing boobs and no but la private nantsike sekhona.
boobs are easier to just remove generally. Nabantu
Ndithi kaloku
cancer.
like if ungumjita and then you develop these boobs nantoni you still nantsika otherwise.
I don't know. I think it would be a personal choice. Like it's
What?
a personal choice to either remove your genitalia or not.
We remove uthini kaloku that's my thing.
Njani ba remove ugqibuthini? Remove and then awunayo. I'm not even like we remove and then awunayo.
Okay, come opine. Cela ungicacisele ngokwakho man.
Andiyazi nami le nto guys ndithule. Andiyazi, I've never watched how it's done.
How
I've
do you
never
even-
thought deep. I think it's a personal
Same.
choice emntwini.
Like usithi ungabi nayo what do you mean?
What do you? There are cases of abantu with cultures, even in Africa, where xa umoshile, if you've raped a child.
Don't look at it from a man's like Man.
Yima, I'm telling you.
It makes more sense xa uyindoda ne uba mayisuke. Ndibuza ifemale.
Uyisusela ndoni? Why do you have to? Why do you have to? We've got toys. Like, why do you have to remove it? Lennon City, now think about it. Just logically. How
okay,
do you take...
okay, must move on opinion. You. Twazi phela. Ndoyika kaloku. I want to ask, man, if you meet with someone and then how long do you wait in order to give?
I don't think it's on a time frame, honestly.
Give what?
Abantu bathi kaloku you will be cheap if umnansikile umuntu usibekwa. They think is it still considered cheap to give it up?
For me,
ayina formula guys. Umzekelo kuhleze kusithiwa umfana uba ebezele lonto kuwe noba ungamlindisa 7 years. Uyifumana kwakhe uzawuhamba.
Hayiwe even west 7 years. Antsena unomdla wayo
kaloku.
So it's like unika umntana ukutya ehluthi.
Umzekelo kudla ngotshiwa andiyazi ke uzovuma okanye uthi ayonyani but kuthiwa umfana akhathaliseki noba ungamlindisa ixesha elingakanani uba ebezele yona uzawuthi wakuyifumana aqoqosho kwakhe akushiye.
Okay, again, as dynamics are very like different for heterosexual people and us like gay people, because I think for one, when it comes to heterosexual, Happy Pride Month, my people. But I think for heterosexual people, when we talk about or when they talk about like first date situations and having sex, it's always the girl cheap, never the guy. Yabo. Like it's always the girl cheap, never the guy.
Kalomamela, it's hard. It's harder to get laid. So immediately when you get laid on the first day, uchipjan usebenzile for indoda inzima le. Obi kunzima. Ukuthi noba uthena generally just in general noba ungumjito onemoto yakhe, it's not an easy thing. Kukhona abantu dihayikisa wena ndihamba ngaloku cela uyicofa pha andiyazi thina. Akukho lula ukufumana xa ungumjito. And xa ukwazi thena ligcwele likhona lenye pha lapho uzobona ikhadi libonileyo ukhuphe liya ufake lona. It's very hard as a man to get it noba utheni na. Just take any, just take ufake eli blue yalibona kaloku I'm making a point. Lilwelo Zokal anotheli man khona linye elinje liyeke lokeli kuzophinda ulithatha fake linye ophi sesigqiba ngo sekusheke nje 10 minutes. But okay, let me just continue because le yasibanda.
Sure.
As a man, it is hard for you to get laid. We can take we can take you, we can take another person.
Yeah.
City bana get mission yenu is to get laid quicker. Or you can get 100 people in one day.
Yeah, because amadoda loose. Okay, but continue.
Yeah. Fagail. Siyeke zonke izinto. Either way, I lose that's why I go easy for Nina to get it. But Nina niko lose. Even nalo lose, usuke angabiko lose like 10 years ago. So ke ngoku. Oh, Yesu. Itsale lapha ngakuwe. Yeah. Coffee iphume. Yeah, and then ufake ngelihlobo leyo imenjalo. Yes. So now if you get late, nobody get late after Don, it's a win.
Yeah.
Yabo, but you sebenzile. Hence ke ngoku it's not the same thing ke ngoku. Awusoze consideration as loose. Mna then say impossible. Kunzima. Yabo, I think that's my point ke later till forever for ba
Do you know why I think it seems like that? Because I think for the longest of time, women were taught to not have, like, to not have sex when they please.
Sure.
They were taught you have to wait until a certain time, or you must behave, or just like not give it away, as if it's not something they want.
Yeah.
As if it's something that they should just, and the man bayenze at peril yomjita, right?
Yeah.
And so it seems like ngoku kufuneka uyihantele okanye because umntana funeka adlale hard to get ngoku eyifunayo, which is problematic, which is wrong.
It is.
And so that's why I think you feel like that. And also, and the husband, I don't think Amachita know how to tell it or and the husband I don't even remember the question you were asking.
I was asking, man, is it still considered cheap now? If you give it up the first day?
I don't
It's
think
men who
so,
think
man.
it's cheap. It's always men who think it's cheap because they genuinely believe that funeka basokoliswe intombazana ukuze ingabi cheap. Le nto ithethayo sithi akho lula for umjita because amajita believe that funeka kungabikho lula. Ba believe ba funeka akusokolise, and then if ukusokolisile akakho cheap. Kanti hlamba ukusokolisile wena but ukusokolise because ebese busy nobani. Wagqitha kubani wakubhizi nobani. So kube kusokolisile, does that mean it's not like cheap, like akakho cheap?
Isingathi also i-consent abayifind attractive because xa udibana nam kwi-first date and then you consent uba sure let's do
Masenze
it
ingathi
utheni
yi-
i-turn off
Because
Kutheni
uyayifuna.
kufuneke
Kutheni
kukho
funeka siyisokolise
that
le
challenge?
nto. Kutheni nibe
Kutheni?
modest or
utheni i-consent and i-turn her off
okanye ndizifunele ndithi well this was successful. Let's go. Like kubone bafuna ibe kwa ibe yinto eyenzeka xa kuselwe ukuze ibe ngathi badlile.
no guys sanuyibaleka i-consent
It doesn't.
If will,
I don't know.
consent,
Consent.
yeah.
Consent.
But
Isuke
it's
ibe ngathi
consent,
ngoku
yeah.
siba non-consensual ezenzeka later on.
I
okay
think
but
if
it's
free
free
will
will
or a girl who owns her sexual power and wants to.
liberated
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, I got on. I'm trying to think reaction. Siya swipe. Okay, I know. I can ngoske Godman.
Sure.
Masambe ke but siya roaming because.
It's never like that because then now I'm
Uzawuthini?
cheating. Now
Ungathini wena? Okay, let's. Sorry, Obi. Let's say uyiphula namhlanje kugqityiwe kaswipe ngokuthini. Hayi ke mandikubholthele goduke.
yo hayi mna guys enyanisweni xa usithi uzandibholtela ndiyakhoduka kaloku mna it's fine
Kaloku enhle ndithi masithi uyifuna namhlanje. Into
andinaso isibindi
oyifunayo.
ingxaki andinaso isibindi
Yebo.
soyithetha mna
Abanasibi wena.
if you still want to stay with the guy, I don't think, but that's another thing. Xa usithi umuntu makulibholthele, that means chances are you're also not up for it. Nawe awunaso isibindi. So why funeka benesibindi?
yo ayiwa
Ungenaso nawe.
Andithi uyayifuna le way mos. Nami ndiyayifuna mna ndiyoyika. Wena
No.
woyiki. Awunokwazi undoyika kodwa ndiyakoyika into londo.
But yenzeka nje loo nto, that's what almost always happens. Noyikani, it's like xa uqala uthetha
Kanjani?
nomntana. Zakwenza umzekelo.
Soloko iba ngumntu oyi-one oyika omnye.
That's not true.
niyakwazi ukoyikana
That's not
ningabantu
true. That is not true. Andikwazi ba unjani, but that is not true. Niyakwazi ukoyikana, but also
bomba hayi ndizincamile ngoku ndiyazincama mna because ndiyabona
ifana
siyonqenana
nala kiss uqonde hey ndiyayifuna. Hey naye uyayicinga, nawe uyayicinga, and then niyoyincokola like a long time, like a time into the relationship, a while into the relationship, you're like, actually, I wanted to kiss you. Really, Namu? You know, I think bayoyikana abantu xa beqala udibana, or it's not ukoyika, but it's like that sense of being reserved.
also uyoyika nomothusa
Yeah.
ukubona uba bengathi hey Come.
But if
Usumkhabe phansi kwetafile.
if benfuna, I'd be like, if benfuna, and this is such a hypothetical situation, Jita. So don't listen to this and think, yo, angafuna lo mntana. No, it's very hypothetical. But if I wanted to, I'd be like, do we have to go home? Why can't we stick around and do something else? But that sounds like ayikho in like ngubani intoni is something else for abantu abangaseliyo apha eMonti.
Hayi ke banda apha masambe siyophola endlini.
Masambe sohlala
Endlini B.
Eyakho kaloku endlini. Let's carry on with the night. I'm still enjoying the company yakho. Maybe we grab a bottle of wine and go chill.
Oh, that's what it means when they say that.
And
That's not what it is. That's what I'm saying. I would do.
Okay.
I would be like,
Manje say enjoy company yakho.
kusemnandi man uyaphi unqamele ntoni the same way naxa uhleli nechomi zakho kusemnandi usithi wama nchomi second location
Sure.
ndingathi mfana hayibo second location masambe siye somewhere
Mnandi.
manje ndibhayitha ithanyam
Mnandi.
kwangoku sihlela apha etafuleni bayi conversation yaflow man sithi yo man yo usenza ntoni emva kwalento andithi asikonde ndithi senza ntoni emva kwalento
Ukhuze ngoba hey ubhizi showers bayizansi.
Dithi ba hayibo but what are we doing after this like andimfuni noba abecinga uBolt ndifuna yazi ba the nice
Second location.
athi ndiniwe yazi andibawela uphuma ndihlala nabantu ndithi okay
Ukwenza massage.
nasekwam sabe sike sihlale sibukele into ikhonto endiyibukeleyo obviously ke ngodum sabe siscared sobayi-2 but i-energy
Zabivakala tension now
Izabivakala,
baba.
ba.
Shubile ngoku.
Nawe
It's a matter of time ngoku.
I thought you'd never ask and then you just
You ask. Funeka athi cela ukuphuza.
I think ezinye izinto man they happen organically. You don't have to overthink what you want to say because when you do overthink it, chances are uzoyithetha kakade because I overthink. But if you trust in the chemistry you have with this person and if you trust in just the natural flow of things, I think it's easier for you to even put yourself in the position where you can express that, hey, I like you and I want this to happen. But if you overthink it, ingathi uze kule date ubalile ngoba am I gonna have sex after this?
But like iyaniphithi into yobana you know like iyaniphithi into yamantombazane yabo but ke noba yim wrong. Number one, like if ndiyakutatsha like good morning kugranda amanfanini ntoni noba baninzi abantu abenza loo nto uyabazi uba baninzi bayakufuna ne so obviously uyayazi uba ndiyakufuna but why are you not like I don't know how to explain this ne but my thing is qala igame ayiseyo game igrand ngoku ungathi ufuneka uzilowarishe ngoku if ufuna intombazana funeka bread crumbs ufumana kuthiwe uthi good morning how are you athi GUD gqibathi koma afa ku-u yabo ugqibe honey I'm good otherwise enjoy your day ube busy noline wakho mbuze how was your day later on mhlawumbe athi GUD athi koma athi you uthi it was great otherwise have a peaceful night yonke lawo yakhona that's it so unyibilika xa kutheni andithi uyayazi uba ndakufuna yintoni le ikwenza usuku ube ungabikho if now uyayifuna le nto why ungasingancokoli igrand nje why ufuneke undinike i-attitude e-snacks sometimes xa ndikufowunela ube ngathi udikiwe yabo ezawuyiziphambeneyo kodwa nawe uyayifuna le ufuna kuthini
Ndiba ulumbuza something before umphendule mntazi wakhe wakho i-situation enjalo nomntu naphelane kwi-relationship iyasebenzayo
let me think nceka lo mna
uncokole naye emane ekunikeza nje i-one word answers niphele niba kwi-relationship esebenzayo have you ever like dated someone
I was in a situation whereby kudifumana lo enjalo lo bare minimum ndayeka uthetha
sure
because like sikhipani man ndoni le uyenzayo kum kodwa yabo and then anoba dibana naye ke ngoku a couple of weeks later by Oxford KFC waiting to swipe until hayi bo hayi unqabile ntoni da lokho wena nje ungu-GUD wena so ke nami ndithe GUD for good
Sure.
no hayi man yazi anayo inamba yakho cela unike inamba yakho then
Naqalo lo hlobo.
yeah
I think that
suba umuntu angakufuni ke ngoku xa ekunikela hlobo
it depends. And I see this with a lot of guys. Guys who've asked for my number. A lot of the times, guys won't say ndakufuna by chomi yakho. They'll literally say that. Uyabo?
Yeah.
wena
And then you must
ngophi xa
read between
umayazi
the
uba
lines.
uyakufuna utheni ungadifuni ngichazinyani
Why? Kaloku, that for me, umntu onotsho kum.
Chazinyani ngathi ufuna
No,
ufuna
no,
inkani.
no. As umntu
Uyayazi
who
nje.
likes girls, umntu intombazane enothi kum if uyandifuna, one, what if andikufuni? Because what if nyani umntu ufuna uba itshomi yakho
Gee.
or is just attracted to you for just nje platonic reasons. Uzigqatse ucingele uba
Bathetha inyani.
uyakufuna
Hayi.
thetha inyani.
Akawufuni.
So I think it always happens when intentions are not clear from the get-go. I think when someone says udibana naye for the first time, athi kuwe, mfanini, I really like you, yabo, and ndifuna sazane, sibone uba akunoba khonto enokwenzeka phakathi kwethu, then it's clear, right? You can even then if umenzela into ezifana exelele ba uyakufuna wacela inamba yakho on the basis that uyakufuna and ufuna ukwazi umenzela into ezifana, then why?
kaloku
Amantombazana
Ntoni inamba
adikiwe
yawo?
ngobhuti abahlele nje uthumela good morning, how was your day?
kuku-direct
Good
approach
night.
no-indirect approach
Listen, i-girls zidikiwe
Fowuna.
ukuba uzawumane undibuze mina mibinjani kude
Ewe,
kuthini.
phone.
jonga bendisandofunda
Makubekho
iposti yomntu
i-
izolo
way forward,
oku
guys, like-
ithela mbava
Bane-action
hayi
plan.
bendicela undinike iquickie before ndiphangele ixesha ku-6 ndiyacinga uba le ntombi ifunda apha isekelwe yi-2 hours uba mayiphendule uba ewe okanye hayi so mna nothi ufake i-question mark lost but okay but amantombazana athi ba direct
That's not direct.
it's what
That's creepy. Intombazana
Hi, guys.
enoti kuwe. Mfana, like reverse it. I think it's even a human thing. Reverse that same thing. Sisandokwenza into enjalo nathi.
uthalusi nje amadoda ugqiba uthalusi nje amadoda
Nawe wathi uyayoyika xa iziswa ngeplate. Kutheni naso sayiziswa lo hlobo?
Ubulusi doesn't mean like ubulusi kuba are interested oko, but
Yeah.
i-approach ibalulekile nakubo. Sisandokwenza phone calls ngoku besi direct, way too direct. I think there's a way to it. It's one, first of all, that's not attractive. Ndicela uniphi quickie.
Hey.
Njani kodwa ufuna ujola nami ndifuna sibe romantic. Where's the romance in that? Where's the mbeko in that?
okay
I-approach ingxaki yakhe. You know, but
wena
if
uthanda udirect okanye indirect
direct
Iba direct wethu but
but
bani approach.
approach me differently. I think that's always the case. We always wonder
date
why.
ngumuntu wedate masiqale siyotya out before
Before what?
sithethe loku andizokwazi ukuvuma efowunini usiyotya out uthethe kumehlo to mehlo
Ndiyamazi nomehlo ethi umehlo. Ndingumntu othi masazane. If uwe ukwazana means taking me out on a date, then sure.
Andifuna date mna ndisike ndawo phofu
Hey.
andikho gay. Andikho straight. Yoba ndiyawoyika amadoda
Say.
ase-South Africa.
Enye
Ufa
leyo.
usiya ku-date, so ndonqena nalo date. Hlala ne-date yakho mfana.
Yeah.
Iyikisa amadoda.
Hlala nalo burger yakho, nalo glass yewine. Yo ayisa.
what do you siyayivala ngo thixo suke ndacima ndiye ndayeka ifowuni
But on that note, I'm a talking stage person. I'm a get to know you person.
Same.
You know. Yeah.
how long does that take how long does the get to know you take
Long enough until I feel like I know you enough to
Yeah.
be with you.
Because obviously you awukho nto yoba uyawuzumaza umntu
Yeah. But if I feel like
ngokugqibeleleyo.
I know enough
Yeah.
to work with, sibone enye phambili.
I think the nama cut ya colors. Cut full nalo. Okay, sure. Let's close, man. Let's close. What do you want to say when in closing?
I think one, relationships can work where people are willing to make it work. And by willing, I'm not just saying declaring your interest, but by actually doing the work that the next person requires of you to be in a relationship, so long as that work is not work that needs you to betray yourself, or it's work that needs you to set yourself on fire to keep the next person warm. I think if it's reasonable work that says, first of all, deal with your traumas, don't project your traumas on me, but let's find a way to work around that. If that relationship requires you to communicate, then that's what you should do. If that relationship requires you to do certain things that will not hurt you, certain things that, again, will not betray who you are and what you stand for, then do those things. And that's when relationships will work for everyone involved. And also, let's be less transactional where money is concerned. I think the reason why we have so many shallow relationships, or people are shallow when it comes to relationships, is because they think that they will throw money to a situation or to that relationship and then it will work. But imali khona nje, but ndikwenzela yonke into nje, but ndithenga ukutya nje, and every other part of the relationship is not catered. But undenzela yonke into chomi andikwazi umshiya, even though ekubetha, even though ekabuse ngenxa yemali. So imali yithande ne, but nezinye izinto mazi athendeke, yabo. And also nawe zijonge. I think a lot of the times we're always pointing fingers to our partner, how our partner should be, and we forget about how we should show up in relationships. Iba high for omnye kodwa kuwe isemaqatheni. Why? How? Njani? So now we work on yourself, work on being a better version of yourself that a next person can deal with. Yabo? Because abantu bathanda ukuthi, hey, standards. Ziphuqe zabantu. I shouldn't have used that word. But sure.
Now I think umdase uyithethe yonke into, but ke ekupheleni kosuku guys, ulife ayo group work, ayingo one size fit all.
Yeah.
Into enisebenzelayo mna no baby ingangakusebenzeli wena. So yeah, do best.
Yeah, guys, man. Hey, bathethilo sisi. Otherwise, all I want to say is we are left with 1,000 subscribers. Sine King now.
1,900 and something.
Yo.
Yeah, 900 and something because 4,040. So
960.
960 subscribers. Sizohamba se King now. Hope you it in
and
verdict.
uzawuphuma kutshomi zakho.
It in verdict. Yeah, uyi.
Andi.
Kaloku nje. Jonga apha ku sports kufuneka bekho umuntu oyi-1 who raises i-hand yakhe. Nobe yaba ngu-BK. Ewe. And then apha ke ngoku ku players noma kwawuya wena enhle.
If you BK ku sports kuye mina ku players edition. Siyaphela kaloku ezi staff somdantsana FM.
Yayibona.
Staff somdantsana.
But it right.
Yayibona.
Akunosoze kukhuluma abantu kusho we
And
one.
siyalandelelana.
Okay, akuzwa ama-BK, akuzwa ama-BK awamudumza.
I think
or even better, when you get to 5,000 kuba sesicele kuni. Nani sinicela ni subscribe, nani siceleni
mabatsho ku comment section bangobana bawo ke basive ngabo
okanye bafuna siwalke ikhona into abahalela siyenze mhlawumbe bahalela siye ku event siyothengisa cups okanye bahalela sikhuphe merchandise singenza nantoni na enisifunayo enifuna siyenze
ndifuna walk
hayi mama masiwalke enelwandle iking ikude masiwalke up east London indlela
sit down
ewe.
Hi boy, yeah, distance. It's just that you are familiar ngalena wena.
But also safika senze ntoni king.
Sizofika lo set pictures.
Masambe send it down apho sofika refresh sea breeze ufike ubona
Ngene emanzini.
uhlala wemani
Also, we are. Obi, man. We say right to King. Okay, house is way down, so I'm a passer. I'm gonna book N2. See it. But man,
why sihamba ngo-N2
what if it's Maninzi?
no but why sihamba ngo-M2
Siamando, the Black Road.
nona nge-Black Road i-black kakhulu sihamba nge-Wilsonia sit amalinda City Cambridge
weteksi zimane zidlula
hayibo kasikhathi ni-grand niwonkelani
So the actually celebrate.
you
Celebrate
know the
5K. Kodwa man ingathi sofika msinya apha makunase King.
yo
why wena ungafuni sifike
Okay, Obi. Okay, guys, go 5K
and
siya.
50 rand ukhwela from a king uyayiqonda at least ba sifailile apha 25 rand
at least
Okay, now you are making sense. Yo, Obi, okay guys, siya East London ke ngoku. Wesibeseni ngibidicebile poster. Bekufuthi shota ni post.
and ngaske sisponsorishwe yindawo
Ezo eyantoni.
ezafika isityise after
Mina ndithi
Nasithile kaloku.
masisponsorishwe nguZK asinikeza zikipa zakhe.
okay
Sithi sihamba nje apha sinqoba uZK. Yeah? Ayesa zikipa zakhe zinobuso bakhe ezo ze gym ezazikipa. Ezagcwele pha yonke lewe yakhona. Wow. Akhangelisa izizwe thina naye.
umame
It will sound bad xa usithi. You know what phayana kwenziwa ntoni? Sizokucalela basifuna abantu abangaphi. Siyaphuma apha si live. Njengoba sihamba nje si live sifake intoni.
And there are people, yes, on that note, there are people that we would really like for them to come up a good podcast, man, guys.
sure
Yabo, gaske nisincedise ubabazi. It's people that we think we could have genuine conversations with. And they've got interesting stories.
People like
for
what?
couples edition, right? We've got a couples edition where we celebrate love, marriage, and relationships.
befamba yonele guys lena kaloku
Okay.
But yabo since sithetha
overuse mntana abantu.
relationships, I think ndenza point up and
Sorry,
funa le clip ifike ebantwini
Okay,
bayo uyabo. Since sithetha relationships, I think our hope is that we could get to a point where relationships are not as shallow as they are and that they could work. Because I think we're getting to a point where we are despondent as abantu. I think ungena kwe relationship ungena themba noba ingasebenza ungena wethu uqonde better devil okanye yabo. So we really want abantu who have shown that this thing is possible, it can work. There is an amazing lady on TikTok uthanda posting videos nomnyeni wakhe
Okay.
ngululutho agcobile dlolo.
oh dlotho yes
right,
love them
and husband wakhe. I think I love their story.
Yes.
Uyayibona ba kukho friendship between bona bobayi-two. They God orientated, family orientated. So I think it would be lovely to have them share insights zabo ngomtshato and how to
Nothando.
yes, you know. So it would be dope to have them here. We also have Ubesh Nondando. I think in a time in a time where people are very materialistic and transactional ngothando, and believe uba uthando liyakwazi wa genuine amongst abantu abatsha. You've got a couple that is so playful, comfortable with each other, and comfortable in their own skin. Despite izinto ezithethwa ngabantu ngabo, I think it would be interesting and lovely to talk to them in the story sabo, because ba dope man,
Too much.
Yeah, babon bayathandana. Those are also people we'd like to have on the podcast.
Ngaske
nibateke.
Like umuntu ongumama nomuntu ongutata.
But
Besinayo le couple yalapha eMdantsane.
and they were the only one.
Yeah, the old one.
Yeah.
Mhlambe if we can okanye sinofumana ugogo nomyeni wakhe.
Banukoko.
sawuthi ngubani nanza kubonisa kodwa uyamazi ugogo for sure
Kanye yeah. I think if you know a couple that's based in East London.
yeah not
Not yena.
So if you have a couple,
Mambayilo.
if you have a couple that you
Banian.
know, yimapra.
Sorry,
Bra. If you've got a couple that you know that has a beautiful love story, and that are committed to their relationship, guys. Anyone, we've got a couples edition segment to the podcast. It's really pusha to celebrate uthando, to push the narrative yothando lu healthy. Siyeke man as ideas oba hayi relationships as Spani okanye abantu xa bechatile okusalayo izawuenda in divorce. Sibene physical representation or a tangible representation of abantu abathandanayo. So ngicela nisithekele bangobani abo nabantu ke generally aba inspirational, like uBaba Lambuku umentionile. I think she has a beautiful story, or just sharing ngobani abantu base East London enihalela sithethe nabo. It doesn't have to be abantu abane huge following, just abantu abane story
bani ngombamyana kodwa ngu-M kodwa Dondon. That's M Dondon. Angiba ngubaba kanye ngibusiswa mbhama Dondon na.
Ubang ugogo. Ugogo enmazi ngoka naye.
Kuya lo.
Oyibloli gqirha. Uyaposta ukuthi animazi ndimazela mina ngoduma kwakhe bangugogo.
Busiswa.
Ndimazi ngegama. Kanjo.
Ngoma uleqa million. But again, it's not for views. Even if views now are beneficial, but I think Inguyena no tata.
Kuyelo.
Inguyena no myeno wakhe. They have a beautiful they have a beautiful story. I don't know Inguyelo. She might not want to come. Christmas 2023, I went to shoot Payana. She did not like the photos, and then so she might not want. But I'm putting it out there because I acknowledge and apply. In fact, suppose by way science and go trip, but they only came to pick me up from Highgate an hour 30 minutes later, which was. But yeah, it does not matter anymore. Yeah. If she's open to it. In fact, yes, ngambisa pa. Noba ngavuma.
Ubani?
Yen.
Ugogo kum?
Pa kwindondon drive.
Oh, I don't know.
Okanye
Uhlala phi?
ukhale pa Eastland ngalopha kandawo yakhe, le water park yakhe. I would like to think.
Sure, maybe because nathi sinayimos la segment phakuthi.
Yeah.
Sihlala nabantu abathandwayo ba celebratewayo apha Eastern Cape, so maybe
Yeah, let's celebrate kakhulu sekapa futhi. Singabe followers ngo100k?
Kubani kanene?
Ku.
Why?
I'm just asking.
No, akho 100k yapha yo. Siyazamela.
Ubi wena?
And TikTok bra.
110 don. Ubi.
Dangerous.
You, Ubi.
Do you know those are followers and anzenze ngo kya ndan TikTok? I haven't posted videos. Zamile like 190 something, close to 200.
Yo.
Abaxalele ngam.
Unayo ne video engu 4 million Ubi. 4 million. Yazi la video ndina ngayo?
Hey Bilay.
Awunithekele kuyo.
Kophendi ngoba
Anmazi la. Wesindavela novela kula video.
Ubuyicingiswa intoni wena la video? I video ye game leyana.
But
how far along the
4 million.
Yayibona bayakwakude kakhulu ndibhitye nobhitya apha.
That's
the last
4.4
time
million.
endakhe nda
4.4 million.
Wo.
4.4. Mur Obi. Dim lo ento.
Sinjalo.
It was lovely but
Into nawudikiwe.
Asimameli kaloku uzama ukwenza ipoint.
Ayona lo siphelile
the point ngoku.
Hyper into insignificant, like it's not even important.
You went through a transition, Mos.
Like it's not important. Nangokyana, when I've never even posted it. Thank you guys for 100k followers, because it was never like a thing. It was just
Igoli yami 100k before unyaka phele.
Zamenza if you post consistently.
Ngomnye now.
abantu bra babuyilelayo uyayibona i-content creator kukho umuntu owenze amakhandlela wabuthenga ikeke ebulela u-10K followers, and that's when I knew some people really take content creation
serious. And abanye abantu eJozi kuyabuzwa ngezo eJozi ndikhumbula ngcokola nabanye pha kula hotel endandikuyo baxelela ndiyazama man, and then they went to search me. Hayi bofondini ndandiseko 35 ke ngoko. Hayi bofondini no hayi man, let's take content man fondini. I want to grow my ndondoni phayana zatyisa.
And abantu even people get excited, isn't I've seen some creators that thank you guys for 200 or thank you guys for 50K. And then it comments, and I'm like,
abantu TikTok bafuna lo way bra, bafuna recognize.
But also for other people, guys,
bafuna no pendula comments.
Goal.
Oh,
at 100K followers.
Chengathi xa ufumene u5,000 subscribers.
Road to 10K.
Yeah.
Milestone ngomyumntu.
That's my milestone 5K. I guess you know ngokubana nomnye umuntu okusearchayo uyabona ba hey I know.
Yasetyenzwa.
And kuthiwa 7 days ago, 3 days ago. That means it's working. Kumuntu that is in charge of making sure ba weekly. But yeah man.
Namba ndithenga ifone entsha ke.
Yeah.
Thathi content izothi road to 200K
Kahle.
Beke.
Cela usi nansi again si weske sikile sizine donations go. Cela ni donate lo hobby uzawubeka uCapitec kwakhe ufuna iPhone 16 azokwazi ushoot content proper aye ku 200K izo benefit and a podcast. Yeah, so this has been the Nayful Podcast Players Edition. We are out.
This podcast has been proudly brought to you by Leptronic Solutions, recorded at the Block Studios. And if you want to use our facilities, get in touch with us on all our social media platforms, Leptronic Solutions. Email us at admin@leptronicsol.com.